Hi, I'm Marion Rutt, listing agent for 598 West Broad Street in the borough of New Holland. This lovely, spacious ranch home with open floor plan is ready for a new owner. The foyer welcomes you into the living room with large picture window, stone fireplace, and hardwood floors. The beautiful custom kitchen, centrally located for entertaining family and friends, includes ample counter space with bar area, island, and lots of extra cabinetry. You will love the large sunroom with many windows bringing the outdoors in and a slider door to the backyard, ceramic tile floors, and perfect for dining from breakfast to dinner. The master bedroom with hardwood floors, a large walk-in closet, a private bath with beautiful tiled walk-in shower, and double vanity is sure to please. 3 additional nice-sized bedrooms, all with hardwood floors, are included. The hall bath includes a tub shower and a large vanity, and this completes the first floor. The stairway from the foyer takes you to the large improved daylight lower level with family room and second fireplace with built-in cabinets. A large office, hobby room, or shop with built-in cabinets. 2 sets of double windows and a door to the inviting covered patio and lovely backyard with gazebo. An additional lower-level bedroom, a full bath and laundry, utility room, and extra closets off the hallway completes the lower level. Thank you for viewing 598 West Broad Street, and call the Marion Rutt team for your private showing at 717-859-7019.